Mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen wacho ni jotelo mag siasa medo oyo ndere wach rowere mosebedo karocho rombe pacho kendi. Kaluwore kod Murkomen, jotelo mag siasa ema nyayo tim matiyo kod rowere go marach. Kolose kinde yawa yanga mbui manyasani mitiyo godo e timo nonro mag oganda e log tich mar okwach kich. Murkomen wacho ni apisas mag arita manyo rowere marocho rombe ko wacho ni giduto ibiro kawnegi ondamo mar chik.
And so for anyone to say that 68 women were raped in Olkalau by police officers and that it has not been investigated and that they have not reported to any police station, that is really serious. And for him to go further now to perpetuate his lie that those 68 women were treated in private hospitals and released to go home, I would like to ask all those private doctors in private hospitals who purportedly treated 68 people to report all those cases to DCI and to the necessary institutions, if not DCI to IPOA, if not IPOA to Kenya National Human Rights Commission, so that we can take any person who has committed any crime to task. And if not, those who are making those reckless statements must be held into account, not just by the police, but by the people of Kenya. Not just by people of Kenya, by media houses.